Yo, what's good, Poke fam? We back again, once again on the Pokedares channel. Y'all know what time it is. Pack a day for a year straight. Day number 288. Hey, I was born in 88. You already know. Keeping that streak alive, the 365. You already know what it is. Headache pack itself, the Charizard. Hopefully we can pull that, the gold one or the regular one. So we're gonna choose this Heracross out of the booster box. I think we still got a good 13 or 12 packs to go up in there. So y'all already know. Let's get to it. If you're new to the space of the Pokedares channel, gaming, vlogging, streaming, pack opens, pack battles, unboxing, news, reviews, hit that like button, share the content, tell a friend to tell a friend. Pokedares channel, we live in the rec, family. Appreciate all the love and support. And to all my relatives that been here since the beginning, to all my Poke cousins, hey, it's goody was good. Hit that like button, share the content. That like button is free and it don't cost you nothing. Get into it. 288, family. Let's go. Gonna do this. QR code. Fan bam, thank you, ma'am. Gone. Alrighty, let's see if we can pull something good. Come on, let's see if we get something good in 288. Let's go. Oh, nothing.
Yo, Demeter, I thought you were gonna play with my frog.
Your frog ain't jumping in my direction. There's a new tadpole in town.
Oh.
So we didn't get nothing in 288. It's all love. You win some, you lose some. We ain't tripping. Ah, man, I thought we was gonna get something good in that one. It's all love. Thought we was gonna pull something nice. It's all right. This Charizard is coming, man. It's coming. We gonna get this Charizard together. What else we got here? Like I said, giveaway binder. Again, update. We didn't get nothing in 288. So like I said, I want to be part of the giveaway. All you gotta do is hit that like, share, and subscribe. Sub up to the channel if you're new to the family. Put it in the comment section that you subbed up and let your boy see it. And I'll put you in the giveaway, write your name down. And if you're already part of the family, all I need you guys to do is pick a video of your choice. Just drop a like and a comment, and that's it. And if you want to win extra tickets into the giveaway, you know, tell a friend to tell a friend. The Pokedares channel, sub up, hit that like button, and then have them put, hey, such and such sent me over here, and then, or cousin, whatever it may be. And that'll help you get some more drawings in their way to get more cards. I got binders. Hold on, if I show the binder. Giving away slabs, CGC 10 slabs, stuff like that. So you already know. Good stuff right here. Bam. Get full arts EXs, good stuff like that. Give yourself a chance to win these. We do have sleeves and black bolt and white flare binders. So we're gonna give away 3 apiece of those. Each one, 3 white flares, 3 black bolt. And then I got a couple of prismatic binders to give away too. And good stuff like that. Like I said, each family member gets a chance to win some cards. And all you gotta do is hit that like, share, and subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend. The Pokedares channel, live in the rec, family. So you already know our motto. You win some, you lose some. We ain't win today, but it's all love. So maybe the next time. You know what I mean? Gotta collect them all. Gotta catch them all. Everybody stay safe, stay fresh, family. Peace.